How to create account in Fantasy Premier League. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed FPL application in your device. Head over to your Play Store and search for Premier League and then install the application from there. Tap on open once you are done. You'll see a page like this. Tap on get started. Now at this page, choose your favorite team, then tap on continue. If you would like to receive notification, tap on yes. If not, just tap on no thanks. Check the box, then tap on yes, create account. Now as you do so, enter your first name, your last name, your email address, create a strong password, make sure that your password is 8 characters. Once done, select your gender, your date of birth. If you would like to add your phone number, then do so by tapping on mobile number. If not, simply tap on the next. At the next page, choose your favorite club, then tap on next. And lastly, you have to verify your email address. So let's go ahead and check your email. Once done, you will land onto a page like this. Under here, tap on more, then tap on create new account. Make sure that you have verified your email address, then enter your credentials and tap on to sign in. As you do that, you will get logged into your account. Tap on to more section, then you will see sign out, meaning that you have been signed into your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.